constantly juggling between your work and life, trying to find that balance? We have all been there, right? And craving for that balance is not a luxury but a necessity for a happy life. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can use your planner to actually start finding that work-life balance for yourself. Hi, my name is Esha, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can use a single planner to manage your work and your personal life by the power of proper planning and execution. This is perfect for someone who wants to use a single planner for everything, whose aim is to prioritize both professional and personal life at the same time, who want to include self-care and recreation in their life in the middle of their busy schedule. I'm using the Life Aroma Planner 2024, and I will show you how you can use the vertical spread in this planner to plan your life. If you are interested in the Life Aroma Planner 2024, you can check out our website. I will provide all the details in the description box below, and we do have a complete flip through on our channel, so definitely go ahead, check it out. All the related videos are in the description box below. And also I do have a special coupon code if you want to purchase this particular planner. Alright, so this is the first layout I'm talking about. It may seem overwhelming at this point as it's all filled up, but don't worry, I am going to explain to you, and whatever is going to work for you, just choose that. So first of all, if you want to plan your work and personal life all in one planner, the first suggestion that I will give is to color code stuff. So here you can see I have color coded and separated the work and personal life with two different colors, and this will help you to categorize and see everything at a glance here in one page. Now let's talk about the layout. So here we have the weekly goals section. So here you can write down your weekly goals, and as you can see I have color coded it here as well. So these two are work goals and these two are personal goals for the week. If you have just two goals for the week, you can just choose to write down two things here. So it's just an example. Then next to it we have the weekly to-do list section. So here as well I have color coded it, as you can see. So the first categories are for the work to-dos that you have for the week, and the next category are the personal work that you have to tackle. So color coding help you to distinguish things at just one glance. And down here we have the habit tracker. So if you want to track something related to your work, so you can color code it in this way, and if you have personal things to track, then you can color code in the other way. So these are just one such example that I'm giving. Color coding definitely help you to keep your personal and your work life separated. Now let's get into the main layout, which is the vertical layout. So first we have are the main priorities, then we have this section, and then we have another blank section here. So what I will suggest is that keep the top row as it is to write down your main priorities for the day, and then we have this blank two section here like this. So these are the two blank section. You can divide it into your work and your personal goals here. First we'll start with the main priority section. So the first way you can do this is to write down your top three priorities here, and you can color code it. The first two are blue in color, which means that these are your work priorities, and this pink one is your personal priority. Similarly, for some day you can have personal tasks as your priorities and you do have less work to do, so you can color code it this way, and that way it will be helpful for you to see how you want to start your day. Sometimes it may happen that you have a very hectic work day, then you can color code it and just write down in bold letter about the work priority that you have for that particular day. For example, I have written meeting back to back. So this day is a busy day for you, then you can assign the whole main priority section as your work to-do list or your main priority for that day. Similarly, on weekends, on Sundays, I have given priority to personal activity family day out. So I have color coded it in pink, which means that we have no work to do that day and you are prioritizing your personal life for the entire day. And sometimes you can have these kind of situation where both the things are important for you, then you can make boxes like this and color code it and write it down this way. So I hope the first row is clear for you. Just to make the point more clear, this is the blank space. Every single day you have to fill it in this way. So So this is the section which I was talking about at this point, and these are few of the variety of examples that you can try out. So take a note of this, which one will work for you, and you can choose to do it every single day in a similar manner. You don't have to mix and match and use the variety like this. If you can do that, but if you want to stick to one particular layout, that is also fine. Moving on to the next section, so I have categorized it into work and personal life. This is the best way you can separate your work and personal to-dos. So here I have dedicated this second row to work and this third row to personal life, and I have given you different ways you can do this. So you can choose any one of them, you can mismatch it, because it really varies from person to person. Someone likes to just use one single pen to write down their to-dos, someone love to use stickers, someone love to color code, someone love to color their planners. So I have given you few examples, you can choose which one is working out for you. So let's get started with this layout. So in this first section, as you can see, I have only used a black gel pen to write down a list of things that you need to get done on that particular day. So this is very simple to do. You are not using any stickers or any color pencil here. All you have to do is to get your work done and just tick it off after that. The next section is for someone who is a sticker lover and want to mark any important things with a sticker. So as you can see, I have used this meeting sticker here, which is from the Life Aroma sticker book, and next to that I have written down the time for the meeting. So you can even highlight your work to-dos and make it fun and colorful as well. And also I have used this box section here, which can highlight your important work for that day. So definitely feel free to be creative and use it in whatever way you want to. The third way is also similar to the first one, but I have used a highlighter here to mark that these are the work to-dos that you need to get done. So we have this color coding here, and I have used the same highlighter here. Fourth one is basically similar to the first one, just writing down your normal to-do list without using any color pens or stickers. Fifth one, which we can do, is to prioritize one important task for that particular day. Like I have pasted an email sticker here, and down here I have written down 3 bullet points: declutter, categorize, and reply to unread emails. So these 3 to-dos are all related to this particular sticker. So you can choose to write down multiple work to-do list, or you can choose to write down one particular work that you want to get done for that particular day. And for the weekends, I have written down side hustle. If you want to follow any of your passion and start any side hustle, you can use the weekend to write down those stuff. I have combined Saturdays and Sundays and wrote down the video ideas for this week as one particular box. So you can do this similarly. These are all the ideas that you can try out and see which one will work for you. Same for the personal goals. Here I have written down the personal to-dos that you need to get done, and I have used only one black gel pen. Then similarly, I have color coded it and wrote down my to-do list here, which indicates that these are personal to-dos, and I have used a sticker here and wrote it down in bold colors. So this is a laundry sticker here, and I have wrote down in bold letter that I need to wash my clothes. Then you can dedicate a particular box to one particular special highlight for that day. Like if you are going for a movie night that day at 6 p.m, you can highlight it in big bold letter, and you can be creative and use different colors to represent that. You can use all the functional stickers to jot down important personal tasks that you need to get done. Like here, for example, I have written down grocery shopping, and what I need to buy I have jot down it here. Then if you don't have anything to write for that day, you can paste any stickers here. Like I have pasted this affirmation sticker here, and this is kind of a reminder: I deserve to be happy in my life no matter who is in it. So you can use and utilize any blank space using a sticker. And also again, this is one such example where you can write in bold letter about the most important tasks that you need to get done for that day. So these are something which are all examples, and whatever is working for you, you can just choose to use it in that way. Personally, I love to mix and match and write my to-dos in this way because it looks good. I love using stickers and bold lettering in my planner. So this is something I'm going to stick to, and I will share in my future videos. I will share live weekly planner setup in my future videos which will guide you more. And down here we have the weekly reflection section, and here you can write down your highlights of the week and improvement plan for the next week, and also you can categorize these into your work and your personal improvement plan. So this is one such example. It may seem overwhelmed altogether, but when you will start seeing these one at a time, like if I cover all these up, if you're like seeing these at a glance, then it will be more clear to you. Like this is for Monday, this is for Tuesday, this is for Wednesday. So if you see it like this, then it will be more clear to you. And in future I will also make live weekly planning layout that will help you to understand how you can like make it aesthetic as well as functional for you. Alright, so that's all for today's video. I hope this video was insightful. If you're interested in the Life Aroma Planner, definitely check it out in the description box below. All the details are there. And if you are a planner lover and want to get motivation throughout the year, then you can follow our channel and also the Instagram handle here, so that you can stay accountable throughout the year and enjoy your planning journey and achieve your goals. Stay tuned for more planner setup videos. I am going to share with you a lot of exciting videos in the upcoming days, so definitely stay tuned. Comment down below if you have any specific video request for me related to planners and setting up your planner for the new year. I will definitely try to make videos on those topics. And yeah, I will see you super soon with a new video. Till then, keep smiling. Bye bye.